Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to run you through the feature of show value as we have an option of percentage off. Now, as the option says, the percentage option, it gives you a feature or an option to select the base field and the base item manually with the help of your choice. Now, this is important because if you wanted to show a data within comparison of your base field or the base item, we can use this option. Now, to do this, you have to do again a right click, come here in the show value as we click on the percentage off, and then let's take item as an example, and we'll take binder because we see binder is in each and every column. So we'll do binder. We click OK. Now, if you see the percentages have changed. Now, what it's doing is, and one of the changes we see, the grand total is gone away. So what have happened is the binder is saying I'm 100%, and then based on that 100%, it's showing you the numbers of all other values. Now it could be below 100, it could be above 100. It's all based on the binder. Binder has taken itself at 100%. Or in other words, if the number we had in binder as 100, then the desk number would be 15.18 and blah blah blah. Now we see many of the null values here. Now the null values are coming because we didn't have any number in there, and in the calculations when we're doing, we are getting an error, or maybe Excel is not able to calculate the actual percentage because there was no number to calculate from there. Okay, so maybe this is for the column calculation. Let's change it. Let's click on percentage off option again, and let's maybe select a representative, and let me select maybe someone from East. Let's take Jones. Click OK. Now the number changes, but this time what we see not applicable for all the representatives in Central and in West. Now the reason we have this is because there is no relation right now between the representative in the East region between the Central and the West, because this is a nested pivot table. Now, as a remedy, we can take the region away. We come here and we do remove fields, and things has gone. Now, if you see, Jones is up there, and based on that, it's calculating each and every value, where Jones has taken himself as 100%, and rest of the values are being calculated on the base value of Jones. Now, this is again a very main option. Let's say we are calculating a sales data where we have a target mentioned for each and every individual, and this is a percentage of the target you have to achieve in a quarter. Now we can use this particular option to show how much each individual has contributed or each individual has achieved as his target. Important concept to know. Now few things to remember in this. Now it's just my suggestion not to use a nested pivot table option here. It just makes things more confusing and a bit hard to understand. Another thing is, make sure you have zeros mentioned instead of no values. Now, if there is a desk, let's say for the Andrews, we can have an entry, a zero number entry, instead of having a no end, I mean showing value as zero, because if we would have zero, this would be showing as zero instead of a null. Now this is one of the change I would say, or a baseline or the rule when you calculate the or use the percentage of option in pivot table. And a very important concept, again, where you know your target or you want it to show the progress of individuals towards that target. Now, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you understand this.